It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. Looking good in a minivan has never been so easy. Slipping through the wind will feel just as effortless with the power of a V6 iVTEC engine and the sharp aerodynamic body with a rear spoiler to top it off. With all that power comes the responsibility to keep your family safe, and this Honda has the ability to do it with a rear-view camera, multiple airbags, and vehicle stability assist with traction control. A full load of people travel comfortably with wide-mode second-row seats and active noise cancellation. The functionality of latch seating in the second and third row and the flexibility to carry cargo with the third-row Magic Seat make this minivan an easy choice for family transportation.
Feel confident getting from point A to point B with the navigation system. Ward off the chills with the heated seats. Doors open and your path is well lit with HomeLink.
Super functional, ultra flexible, and the perfect collaborator every day. Take this Odyssey home today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. At Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.